Hello everyone, Angela at Minotaur's Quilting again. And today I'm with the beautiful Cameron, my niece. She's gonna help me do a box opening. So I know what is in these boxes, but I can't remember exactly how, or what it looks like, I should say. So brand new line from Wyndham. So we will start.
Okay, we're gonna do this one first.
Yep, so you can just start opening and start pulling them out. Very cool. So, the whole line is by Wyndham, and it's called Pottery. It's very masculine. It's a very masculine line. So I just always pull it down a little bit, and then that way, this end, yeah. Always the folded side up. And then Erin will come in close on some of them if she needs to.
I can't open it.
There you go. Yeah, very modern, very masculine line. This is gonna be cool. Okay. And so you can just keep pulling and.
And I think it said there's 27
27 bolts
bolts
in
in
it.
this line.
That
yeah.
could very well be. Oh yeah, I love the colors of that. The blue with the brown.
Mhm.
Yes. And when we sit them down, we're always gonna do selvage edge down. Because that way the pretty fabric doesn't get dirty.
Oh, I didn't realize I opened it the wrong way.
And when we put them on the shelves, it's always the same way. That's a cool color too. Very cool. Blue with the brown, different design. Blue with the brown, different design. Is that?
Is that just random
Yeah, I think it's just
organic
scribbles.
lines?
That's what it looks like, but I almost feel like I saw something in it, but maybe I did not. We won't go
This one
there.
looks like a dog.
Well, it almost was like,
It reminds me of Etch and Sketch.
yeah, yes, for sure. That's a cool color too. The green with the brown.
So I believe we call these organic lines
Okay.
because they're random.
Okay. Do we have the scissors over? Were they over here?
Box is falling over now.
I thought I left them on top of that box. Oh my gosh. I swear I'm fighting with a box today.
That's neat.
It's not, I don't really, yeah. I mean, I'm not all, there's just a lot of neat patterns in that real modern masculine, I'd call them, wouldn't you? Like modern
They're not my
masculine?
bright pinks and purples that we normally.
No,
have been getting lately.
No, we have a lot of bright pink and purple upstairs. We're definitely due for something. Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm calling them, modern masculine. I don't know what the designer's calling them.
So hashtag modern masculine when you use these.
Oh, I like this one a lot. I like the color of this one. That's cool. As I'm unboxing, I'm trying to think of a really great pattern to use them in. Got it.
like the
that one
diamond patterns.
too. Yes, you can throw one my way if you want, or two.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I'm,
Alright.
I'm already through my bolts.
She gets excited.
I do. Great neutral.
Oh, here, you have this one next.
Look at me eyeing it. You guys. I like the color of this one. Both of them are neat.
I struggle opening them.
You're doing a good job. Yeah.
Do you want the last one?
No, you go ahead.
Okay.
You go ahead with the last one.
Bam. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so once again, these are Wyndham fabrics. The line is called Pottery. Yeah, so 20-some SKUs. Modern masculine. So these will all be up on the website for you to look at. Once again, mendedheartsquilting.com. You can order anything I have online. We ship 2-day priority, or you can do curbside pickup right now if you choose, or you can run in and pick it up also. So you'll find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So thanks again for watching. Bye.